Everybody always asks me that how do I stay motivated and how do I stay constant when your whole life has been like a constant path of transformation. So, in your mind, the psyche is so attached to transformation that you don't know that there will ever be stability outside of you. There will never be stability outside of you, in other people, in other jobs, for fuck's sakes, and definitely not in lovers. So, let me tell you this brutally honest, there is only stability in you, in the things that you want to do, in the things that you put efforts in daily, every day. And if it is not making you healthier, smarter, this world is full of shit people. That's how that has always been. हम लोग blame कर सकते हैं, सत्य को मैं ऐसा था, कल मैं ऐसा था, ऐसा दिया वैसा दिया. Okay, I don't carry a victim mindset. I just don't carry it. I don't know how to do that. There have been a lot of ego deaths, psychological deaths, literal deaths. Then only thing constant in your life is transformation. There is no stability of any kind, and there will never be a stability when you try to find it outside of you. So yeah, you have to pick yourself up. People will fuck you over. That's the reality of life. It's never gonna be like, oh, हमारे लिए नहीं हुआ. किसी के लिए होता नहीं है यार. उठ के चार धक्के खा के, चार लोगों की बातें सुन के, अपने स्किल को आप वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करो जिसमें आप माहिर हो. आप एक्सट्रैक्ट करो. टू अब ये लोग बोलते हैं कि काटते चले जाओ. अरे भाई, तुम एक्सट्रैक्ट करो. यू बी एन अपॉर्चुनिटिस्ट. Sorry, you be an opportunist whenever you can be, whenever you want to be. And some people are born with good skills. I am born with great research skills, and I keep outgrowing every other place that I've been. I've outgrown people, I've outgrown jobs. The person who will be more attached to people and jobs will be more transformative and very early, because there will be a point you will give it everything, and then your body will react in a sense कि भाई उसके पास कुछ नहीं बचा बचा देने को. Like उसके पास कुछ नहीं बचा, and वो अपने आप ही छोड़ देगी. तो फिर उसके बाद आप सरेंडर करना सीख ही जाओगे. उसके बाद आप बोलोगे कि the only thing that is constant in my life is transformation. What I don't want you to do, I don't want you to take a pity on yourself. ठीक है, जो हुआ हुआ. जो करना है आपको करना है. जब आप इस चीज की अवेयरनेस में आ गए ना, भाई उस समय कोई नहीं रोक सकता. उस समय कोई नहीं रोक